How to fix lead duplication issues in Zoho CRM. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Zoho CRM website. Make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to fix the lead duplication, you need to go to the leads page. Here in this home screen, at the top left corner, you can see this leads option. Tap on this. Now that you're in the leads page, you will see all the list of leads over here. Select the duplicated leads from here. Now in the top right corner, you can see 3 dots icon. Tap on this. Select this find and merge duplicates option. You can select the criteria over here. You can enter the keywords which are duplicated and tap on search. It will give you the results over here at the bottom. Now what you can do is select both of these and tap on next. Now over here in this page, at the top right, you can see merge option. Tap on this button. It will ask you for your confirmation if you really want to merge these both records. So tap on yes, and there you go. The leads has been merged. Now if you go to the lead section again, as you can see, the duplication issues has been fixed. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.